Hey, what's up everyone? Tim here from Everyday Tactical Vids. We just got our latest box from Gotham Crate. This is a quarterly box. It's going to run you about $100 per quarter. And yeah, they send you gear, so let's check it out and see what we have inside. Alright, so you do get this little card with it. It gives you all the info on the back. Your MSRP value for this box is $148.85, and again, you're paying basically $99.99, so basically $50 more of value than what you're actually paying for. So here's our first item. This is from Voodoo Tactical. I used to check out their gear a lot, and I haven't seen a lot about them in recent months, honestly. But they call this the BDU wallet, and essentially, I mean, I guess it's a wallet. It's huge if it's a wallet, but it's more like a little, gear carrier, pens, knives, flashlights, things like that. A notepad. Cool little item. Does have a flag here. That is a Velcro patch, and this one's valued at $14.95. So there's your first item. Next up here we have a Fisher Space Pen. This is valued at $26. I don't know if I've ever seen the full size. I've always seen the smaller ones. It does have, basically that rubberized top section, so you can use that like a stylus on an iPad or something like that. So basically you're gonna press it in to get out the ballpoint pen, and then press it again, and it's gonna go away. Yeah, I've never seen a full size one, so that's slick. There's a pocket clip on it. $26. These guys, this is basically like, something they can take to outer space and write. You can write upside down, all different types of different angles. Fisher Space Pen makes a great product, so that's your second item. They do throw in a little sticker here for you for free. Next up, valued at $3.95, a Write in the Rain pad, which goes great with the Fisher Space Pen. And also, these two items can go into that Voodoo Tactical BDU wallet. So Write in the Rain, if you're not familiar with it, basically, when you use the right type of pen or pencil even, when it gets wet, it doesn't bleed all over the place. The paper basically absorbs the material so that it doesn't bleed all over the place. I've shared this before, but at SHOT Show, the Write in the Rain booth has basically like an indoor waterfall where the water is falling on this constantly, and it's not, wiping off the ink. So $4, simple item, but a great little product. Great for just every day, and then especially out in the woods if you're in inclement weather. Next up, valued at $2, just a little basically a snap light, safety light stick, great to keep in the car to keep kids entertained at night, especially if you're like broken down. This can kind of distract them from feeling sad or scared. And then a great item just to like get somebody's attention. You can see that little hook on the end there, right there. You put a piece of string around that and whip that thing around, and it's going to definitely get somebody's attention. So $2, simple item. They also throw in a Sharpie, which is great to keep in your BDU wallet as well. Valued at $1, but great item. I always throw Sharpies into kits. Your big item is valued at $100.95. It is the SOG Seal Pup Elite. Seal Pup Elite. So let's take this out of the box and take a look at it. Alright, so here's a look at the actual knife. Your steel is AUS 8, which is I would say it's like a mid-grade steel. It works fine. It's better than something cheap like a 8CR 13 MOV or something like that. Definitely like a fighting style knife, very tactical. You can definitely use it in the woods, but definitely got a more of a tactical look and feel. Some serious jimping there on the back. I guess you could use that, to like kind of carve into something like you would like a sawback from a Tops blade, but more so just some really aggressive texture. Fits nicely in hand. Lanyard hole there. Does come with a nice sheath. So it is ballistic nylon, but it feels like it's more durable than a lot of the ballistic nylon that I often get with knives. That's what it looks like in the sheath. You do have a pocket in the front here. So if you want to put some gear in that, obviously you can do so. On the back, this reminds me of like Essie and Ontario Knife Company. A nice long piece of webbing there, so you can run it, on a vest, on a backpack, however you want to set it up. So let's look at this quarter's Gotham Crate. Again, $99.99 for the subscription every quarter. This is valued at about $149, so you're definitely getting, let's say $50 more value than what you're paying. Yeah, this is the most gear. They've sent a bunch of quarterly boxes before, and it's been like 2 or 3 items. This is a lot more items, which I like. So this is probably maybe the third, maybe fourth quarterly box I've seen. I think it's the third. So I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you check this one out, and then I'll put links to some of the other videos from the quarterly boxes. Let me know what you think in the comment section. All right, guys, thanks as always for checking out the videos here on YouTube. Please subscribe to Everyday Tactical Vids if you haven't done so already. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, check us out on Instagram, Tumblr, and Vero as well. More videos coming soon. Take care.